Let it rain and clear it out. Let it rain and clear it out. Let it rain and clear it out. Hey, let it. Oh fuck. Whew. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Yeah, y'all know what we looking at today. Goddamn, we looking at goddamn chicken noodle soup. You know, I haven't had chicken noodle soup for like a long ass time. Like a really long time. It's been like years since I had chicken noodle soup, honestly. What does chicken noodle soup even taste? Actually, never mind. I could taste it. Never mind. Yeah, I'm glad I don't. Ooh. Oh. Hey, let it rain and clear it out. Let it rain and clear it out. Hey, fuck it up. Yeah. Hey. What? Hey. That's so Yeah. Whoa, they got a fucking car. I mean, at this point, I'm not surprised by whatever happens now. I'm not surprised. I'm sorry. My bad. I was so confused. I didn't know what happened. I didn't know what he was doing. But he's rapping about, like, his mic wasn't on. I was so confused. I was like, Well, another car. How many cars do they have? Oh shit. It's another car. I find it so amazing how they can just share their songs and they sound so good on them regardless of what song it is. I really like that. That's so tough. I really appreciate that. That's so tough. Hey. I want to know how long does it take them to like know a dance, like to learn a dance? I wonder how long does it take them? Like, how long does it usually take people to learn dances? Because you would think it would take like a day to just learn a dance. Because when I took dance at school, we had to learn a dance in like 30 minutes. Like, do they give them like more leeway to learn dances? Because they know a lot of dances. And that's something to think about. Oh God. Oh, Arm got the pants too.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Hey. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Hey. Look back at it like camera action. The beat of a minute. One on the street, get the people reaction. I hit the game, you gotta support my little bit now.
Excuse the fuck out of me, Jimin. Goddamn. Okay, excuse me then. All right, you got it. Mr. Suit and tie with no tie. You got it.
We always stand for where we come from, so let it know what's up. No matter whatever we
Ugh. You see what I'm talking about? They always come out of nowhere. Like, I'm not tripping, right? They always come out of nowhere. Oh, okay. All right, it's Zoom fans. Ooh, Zoom fans. That's actually tough, though.
Clear it out. Hey, let's get it, 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 let's get it. A lot of rain, I clear it out. A lot of rain, I clear it out. Hey!
With the soda on the side. With the soda on the side. Hey! With the soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with the soda on the side.
Let's go!
Oh shit! Hey, hey, oh, do it again! Oh, all right. It's always that one nigga that just kills the floor. It's always that one dude that just kills the floor. And this dude is Jungkook. God damn. Oh, hey. What?
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.
Oh, shit. That's tough. This BTS Festa thing is amazing. I like this. I really like this. Like, for real. This is... I love this, actually. Oh, my goodness.